This is a code challenge for white. The focus is this group right here, not this corner. Doesn't really have a whole lot to do with this corner because as we can see, white has sealed black off, right? The best black can do is this capture 2, recapture 1. And it doesn't have anything to do with this pattern. So not sure why it's here. Kind of a distraction for our purposes. So white has to deal with this ice space. It's already a very nice ice space. If you play on the outside, then the bottom line is that once black captures here, white will have to come from both sides, but cannot do that, right? So black will live very easily like this or this. So that's why when I was doing this problem, I was thinking this move, but that actually doesn't work. Black can Atari from the left side here, and this will be a real eye. Should be pretty easy to see. So number 1 will fail. So that's when white needs to make use of this shape, right? There's a small weakness. Doesn't happen in every pattern when this happens, but there's a small weakness in this shape. And that is white can Atari here, forcing black to capture, and right here, 1 and 3. That's the weakness. Because if black doesn't occupy number 3's liberty, we'll keep it 2 by playing something like this. What white can do is play right here, and black is dead, right? If black blocks from the outside, white can connect here. And if black plays here, white can destroy the side this way, number 9. If number 8 is here, number 9 can come in, right? So number 3 is really targeting this eye right here, making it into a fake eye. So that's what number 3, number 5 does. And that means number 4 is wrong for black. Now what about this move? This move will be similar, right? White can still connect here, and this will be a fake eye. And that's the weakness in this shape. So the best black can do is to play here. And what does white do now is simply to try to capture number 4, and both sides will have to play with a little bit of brute force here. Number 8 has to be here. Of course, white cannot connect, right? If you connect, you're going to get captured. So I think white will just play at number 9 here, and black will start the code this way. Right? Any local code threats? Not really, right? Because once black captures number 5, number 3 is also a real eye, so already 2 real eyes here. Doesn't care about this one anymore. Number 13 doesn't work. No local code threats. What about black? Black arguably has this one right here. So that's how the code will play out after number 10. Overall, I think the code itself is not that important, right? It's really a bit of a brute force type of situation, right? Once black realizes that number 3 must be contained, you must occupy number 3's liberty, right? This obviously doesn't work. This will just allow white to connect back like this. This is what the setup is for, I think. Doesn't work for black. Right, so number 4 has to be here, and of course, white wants to escape. And this is how we get to the code, right? Just note that this will also lead to a code, just a little bit different, but the idea is the same. So number 8, number 9, number 10. But the key takeaway is 1 and 3, and the weakness, potential weakness in this shape. Doesn't happen in every game, in every pattern that looks like this, but it is one possibility. We find this useful, and I'll see you in the next problem. Thank you for watching.